Okay, today we're gonna be talking about this one-step hair dryer and volumizer brush from Aima Beauty. Let's see here. This is the first time I'm trying this brand. I have, I don't know, one too many of these volumizers. Can never have enough of these because they save so much time and energy. So this one is, the barrel is ceramic coating and it has 1100 watts power. Don't think it's dual voltage. Let's check it out. Not much to say about presentation. It's not even sealed. Alright, so users, a warranty card. There's some tips for a healthy hair. That's always a good thing to read about. This is a tool for cleaning the brush. I sure will use that because I can tell after I'm done with my brush it's always a mess, a lot of hair. And this is the actual brush. Beautiful color. I love the color. So smooth. Oops. What is this? Okay. 360 rotation cord. Safety plug. Checked. And so instead of, most of these brushes are like the handle is the one that has the different positions for the settings. This one is actually up here, so I can see there's a high setting, low setting, cool, and off position. And 3. I don't know which one would be lasting longer or less. This is the ion generator, and this is the actual barrel. These are massaging bristles with the tougher bristles in here. This is not the biggest barrel. When it comes to this, it's oval, but oval shape, but it's not the biggest size like the 1.0 from Revlon. This is more like the 2.0 from Revlon. Looks like it a lot, but instead of titanium, this is ceramic coated barrel. So the vents are pretty much about the same. Okay, let's check it out. I'll plug it and see. I know people use to talk about how noisy these tools can be. That's not really something that I'm concerned about. To me, the most important thing is how well it performs. Not much noisier than. Okay, that's a pretty extensive cord. That's nice. Let's see. Now let's check this out. Oh, hold on. Oh, yeah. So the blue light is telling me the ion generator is working. This is the cool setting. This is the low temperature, low wind speed setting. I don't really think I'm going to use this because my hair is not really fine. It's kind of a coarse textured hair. And this is the highest setting. It's pretty hot already. Oh yeah. I think it's working pretty nice. It's not even that noisy. It's pretty pleasant to hold. It's not heavy. It's an acceptable weight. I'm just gonna go ahead and use it. I'm gonna use this Perfect Blow Dry lotion from Nature Lab. I'm just gonna try this today for the first time. And then I'll take pictures and I'll let you guys how they go. Thank you.
Alright, so here you have the Aima Beauty circular brush. You have a power cord here on the bottom, which is quality control pass, which is a good sign. This is the size of the brush. Not too large. This is the bottom here where the air is intake, and the small little circles here where the air blow out, and at the same time you have some brush here. So you have 3 different settings: cool, low, and high, with a little light over here in the middle that shows you that the device is on or off. So we'll go ahead and start by going to cool. This is a low setting, so you can see that the fan is a little bit slower, and the heat is coming out. I can feel the heat now, like a hair dryer would. And we'll go to high, and this is really, really hot with a lot of air and a lot of heat. So yeah, this is the product here. I'll be testing it over the next few months, and I'll give you the details in my description. I don't even want to do this again because it's gonna... It's different. Oh, you can see it. Yeah. So yeah, brand new. Just got it. Just took the thing off and took it out of its bag and wrapped clean. Yeah. No.
Protect technology exclusively from Simply Safe, an advanced tech.